So finally addressing my vlog. Yes, I'm trying to vlog today. It was my exam. I just finished doing it. I just finished my exam, and it's currently 12:50 already. Like half of the day is already gone, and I haven't even bathed. Like I need to bath now, and yeah, my back is literally aching. I was sitting here for continuous 3 hours and writing all these many sheets. Oh my god. Writing and submitting. It was a little annoying though. The paper was lengthy, I can say. Not lengthy, like the questions were so many. There were like so many questions. Leaving that aside, I'm done with this exam. 2 exams are like already done and dusted. 3 more left, and I am vlogging today as I've already addressed. It's an exam day. It was actually. So I really need to bath now. You can see all my condition. मैं just brush करके सुबह and like अच्छे से face wash करके बैठ गई थी बस एग्ज़ाम लिखने. Yeah, I went to breakfast also in the morning, and then I slept again for like half an hour, and then yeah, I like freshen up and like sat for writing up my exam. So let's just quickly get going and let's just go bath, and also I really need to pee. Okay, so a quick change of plan. I really need to like clean all this mess on my bed. Yeah, I live in a PG, a small bed, so सब कुछ बेड पे ही होता है, सोना खाना and yeah, पढ़ाई भी एग्ज़ाम भी. So yeah, I need to clean all this mess, and then I'm feeling a little like stiff, so I'm thinking of stretching out my body a little bit. So yeah, after that I'll go for bath. So yeah, that was a change of plan. Let's get going.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hint to.
I hope it looks a little better now. And if you're wondering, yes, I do use this many cushions. They're all around my bed.
Some limits on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
Baby shampoo, and come and save me. I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars.
It's sunny again today. A little though. Not much. You never know about this weather. Dehradun weather. You never really know. One minute it's sunny, and the other it will be raining like hell. Hello you guys, I'm back after a long relaxing shower bath, and yeah, just gonna do a little pampering of my skin, like whatever I do like on a daily day-to-day basis. So yeah, just applying some moisturizer and then lip balm, and just so you know that desi towel on my hair, because that's the best for your hair. Yeah, it soaks all the moisture like very naturally, and I don't like to use like heat in my hair daily on day-to-day basis. So natural way of drying your scalp, your hair. Yeah, as soon as I like come out of bathroom, as soon as I get done with my bath, I do all these things. And yeah, nothing really else. And if I have to go out, sunscreen of course. And yeah, I don't have to go out anywhere anytime soon today. So yeah, let's just get into the outfit of the day. Very comfy loungewear, shorts and a crop top. Friday, so it's currently 2 p.m. already, 2:01 already it is, and it's my lunch time already. बनाया और सीधे खाया वाला काम हो रहा है. Okay, so I just wore these pearl earrings and this little bracelet just to make myself feel good. I have nowhere to go, and I literally do it every day. I get ready and I just sit in my room and chill. Nothing else. So yeah, let's just get going for lunch, and let me show you my OOTD, the loungewear.
With you, we got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just.
Hi guys, I'm done with my lunch already. It's 2:35. Now I'm thinking of like just sitting and relaxing and chilling a bit in the living area only. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through my social media a little bit. Just gonna scroll on Instagram, that's it. And yeah, a little bit I need that at least. Yeah, because since morning I haven't done that at all, so let's do that. Hi guys, so I got back to my room. This is Shalvi.
Hi everyone!
So she has to go somewhere. Where?
Well, I have to go to a seminar sort of.
Seminar sort of a function she is going to attend, and so she's here for a help because she wanted to get ready nicely.
And Kanchanji is helping me a lot.
I am just helping her a little bit. Not helping, she's already very pretty. So I'm just trying to enhance that. So if you want to be a part of this clip, just be. This is our product in natural light. This is how she looks.
Thank you so much.
Come closer. She looks really very beautiful with all that makeup and hair and everything. And let me take a footage of yours, like complete footage.
What pose I should?
From top to down. I hope you like it. I
I'm
hope you
loving
like
it.
the makeup
I'm loving it.
I did on you.
I'm loving it.
And she's going back today. She's going back home. So this is the memory of ours, like I'll put in my vlog. So yeah, now let's just get done with your pictures. Look here. Hi guys. So it's currently 4 p.m. already and I'm in my room back again. And I'm so tired. My back is aching like hell. And I have to clean up all this mess around me and here as well. So yeah, let's just clean that and then maybe I'll just go through my phone a little bit and then I might take a nap. I'll update you whatever happens. Hi guys, so checking in at sorry if I'm sounding a little low. Checking in at around 6:22 p.m. now. I just woke up. It's my second time good morning. Yeah, good evening it is. Let me just switch on the lights and then talk. So yeah, I woke up. Now let's just gulp some water in and let's go out and see क्या मौसम हो रहा है क्या नहीं. काफ़ी लेट उठी मैं. It was a long great nap. I needed that actually. And let's just go and drink some water and then I want to prepare myself some coffee. Or it rained again. And this is the weather right now. The clouds are coming. देखो इतना close आ रहे हैं. अभी पूरे में यहाँ पे cover हो जाएगा clouds से. Nice weather. Everyone, so I just got done with my coffee and yeah, I instantly feel so good, so relaxed. My mind is so relaxed. Like, I love coffee, so obviously that relaxes me out a lot. So yeah, instant mood lifter and instant mind relaxer, my coffees. So yeah, I was just enjoying the weather, sitting in the balcony here on a stool. Let's just not show that. So yeah, as I was saying, I was just enjoy. Oh, you can see me through that. Okay, see me double. Okay, I was just enjoying the weather in the balcony. It's little cold and raining like a little bit. थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे बूंदाबांदी हो रही है, ज़्यादा नहीं. And I do have to finish like 2 more things, 2 more work. Like what? So yeah, like my mood is relaxed but my body isn't, so I really need a like muscle relaxant because I've been sitting like for long hours on bed and don't know why, like maybe some weird position while sleeping, and that caused like a severe back ache, and my back is aching even after sleeping. The pain isn't going, so I really need a muscle relaxant. पहले वाला finish हो गया and I need to get that. And also I've given like 2-3 clothes for alterations, so I need to pick that as well. So let's just get going. नीचे jeans डालते हैं because not always waxed and shaved. So I wore these denim capri pants because why not, and lazy me, I just wore it over my shorts only, जो कि दिख नहीं रहा है इतना, so why to care, huh? Thinking of like turning these capri pants into like DIYing into shorts or something. These are like good quality high-waisted capri pants and the shorts will be like looking so good out of that. But yeah, because as हमारे पिताजी says कि ये मजदूरी वाली pants लगती हैं. Okay, not funny really. Okay, that let's leave that for later and just get going for what we need. So mask on, let's just go and quickly finish that. Hi guys, so I'm finally back in my room in my comfy PJs again, and it was feeling a little hot, like गर्मी लगने लगी थी walk करते करते. I went on like an evening walk as well because I love to do that like every time, like every now and then. And yeah, so done with that. Now it's 8 like 7:50 almost, yeah it is right now, and hair up because I have started to feel garmi. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try that jeans that I gave for a little bit of alteration. Though I gave like a pair of shorts as well, but वो अभी उन्होंने नहीं किया है. कल फिर से जाना पड़ेगा उसको लाने के लिए. Oh my god, like these jeans are like insanely high waisted and ये थोड़ा loose थी waist से, so I gave them for alteration a bit. I just got them yesterday and this is the first time I'm trying these bootcut jeans. Flared, very flared these are, and I am loving it. I had to wear like a heels with them to show you, like, because the length is really great. It's really very lengthy, long, and I also tucked my top a little bit in to show you how high waisted these are. Oh god, I love the fit. I love everything about it. It's like a darker blue, something like sort of that. You cannot see like the actual color. It actually looks like the top only in the camera, but it isn't. It's like these very dark navy or blackish sort of a blue. I don't know what to like call, but yes, I'm just living for the fit. And I mean, just these jeans, these flared jeans, and a very cute little crop top, and the very sexy, very chic, very fashionable look is in your hand already. Okay, I'm gonna style them really very soon, so don't forget to check out my Instagram as well. I'm gonna like share some pictures there. Okay, so please don't mind the mess behind me, because yeah, I keep all my shit like that. So yeah, I love the jeans, the fit, the everything. I must say the tailor did like a impressive job, like chef kissed for that tailor's job, not for the tailor. Okay, so yeah, done trying that. It was my like first like flared bootcut jeans, and I'm loving it. I am literally loving it. I used to hate them, I don't know for what reason, but now I think I'll start like loving them. So yeah, it's currently 7:53, almost 8. Okay, so now what? Waiting for Shalvi, the girl that I helped today to get ready. It's her last day in this PG with me. She was here for like a very short span of time, but like a great one. She's the sweetest. I mean, the sweetest. So I'm just waiting for her, like she'll come. Hi, so back in my room again. I had a long chatty hour with my family. First I talked to my like elder brother and then my parents. So yeah, let me switch on the light. So as I was saying, I had a long chatty hour with my family, and I went to see off Shalvi, and she's gone. She's going back to her home, as I told you already. So she was so sweet. I'll miss her company here. So we have like wasted so much of time. Now let's get done with a little bit of work. I need to like import so many videos and some clips in here in my laptop, and yeah, we'll do a little bit of studies as well. Yes, I'm thinking of doing that as well. So yeah, let me just do this work. Let me just finish this work, and then like just quickly get done with all this work, and let me just plan a little bit for later, and then we'll do some work more. So I just got done with my studies and I did plan on some content for later. I'm not gonna show that. So yeah, currently it's 11:30 and I usually am sleeping like at around 12 or 12:30 these days because सुबह जल्दी थोड़ा उठना पड़ता है and एग्ज़ाम के लिए बैठना पड़ता है. I cannot sleep till late, so अभी थोड़ा मैं जल्दी आजकल सो रही हूँ, otherwise it gets late around like till 2 or sometimes maybe till 3. But yeah, these days it's just like 12 a.m. that gets right. Yeah, that time around I sleep. So now I'm done with studies and content planning, and now maybe I'm just gonna like scroll a little bit on my Instagram, and or maybe like I might edit a small video or something, and then we'll just see. Hi guys, so currently checking in at 12:32 now, so it's the next day already. Yeah, I should probably sleep now, it's too late. And yeah, I just wasted some time on Instagram and did use it as well. I did edit one reel video, and yeah, so the day was pretty productive as well. So yeah, it must end now. Finally, it's time for me to end the vlog now. I really hope it wasn't boring. The day was pretty happening, but yeah, it's a pretty long one. It might take a hell long time of me to edit it. And yeah, let's just go to bed now, go to sleep now. It's raining outside, pretty cold, and let's just use that cute blankie and yeah, get cozy. So good night, bye bye, and I hope you like it. Please do like it, and do tell me what improvements do I need in vlogging. I'll surely try it more often, though I've tried like earlier already, but yeah, let's just not get to that now. Good night and take care. Just like this vlog and comment down. Bye, take care.